Still don't have a ChatGPT account? Honestly, you're leaving money and time on the table. Most people think setting this up is a headache. It doesn't. I'm breaking it down step by step. I'll show you exactly how to create your account and get verified in seconds so you can start prompting now.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are listening to this video from. How many of you know what ChatGPT is? Many of you do not know what ChatGPT is. On a daily basis, I get a lot of people asking me, what exactly is ChatGPT? How can I use it? So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to get ChatGPT, how to set it up for everyday use, and so that you will not be receiving yes for everything you ask ChatGPT. First of all, you download ChatGPT from your Play Store or your App Store. This is what ChatGPT looks like. You tap on it. You either log in through your Google, your email, or your Apple, depending on which one you are using. So for me, we'll be going over to a new ChatGPT, a new email, because I will not use my already used email because you might not understand it because it's already set up. So for a fresh email, let's go continue with our Google. You tap on the email you want to go with. So I have to look for the email I've not used before. Let's go to chanelscreationwork70com@gmail.com. You log in with your Google account or your email. It will ask you for your full name and your age. So you can put any age you feel like putting. So I added this name just for explanation. That is not my real age. So you wait for like 1 minute to set up your ChatGPT account. So it will ask you, why do you want to use ChatGPT? Is it for school, for work, personal tasks, fun and entertainment, or other? You make your choice. Let's say personal tasks. You can tick all if you want to. Tap on continue. We have signed in to ChatGPT. So that is how we use ChatGPT. Then you go over to your settings, set it up. Here you add your face, your image. You can add your image here, your name and username. So it will be personalized. You tap on here to add your image. Also, you can also personalize it. If you want it to be warmth, if you want it to be less, just play around this thing, save it up. We're using the free version. So this is put your name, your occupation, and more about you. You can add more details about you. Are you interested in godly content? Are you interested in education, lifestyle, anything? Just add what do you want ChatGPT to call you? You want ChatGPT to call you Chanel's favorites, whatever you want ChatGPT to call you, it will call you. What is your occupation? AI educator or freelancer? You save it. So this is how you can also subscribe to the paid version. We have the paid version as low as $8 or 7,000 naira. You can also go to the one of $19 or 31,700 depending on your budget. You can also add appearance, light mode. You can also make it dark mode. You can also leave it at default. So just play around ChatGPT. You could also use your security. If you don't also want to log into your account, you can secure it. For the free version, you have a particular storage for every free user. So once you get to that storage use, you will not be able to create or do anything on ChatGPT. You have to delete or go to the pro version. You also have the voice section. You can come around here, set it up the way you want it to be for you.
I'm ready.
That is how ChatGPT looks. So for the custom instruction, this is where I would in the comment section, remind me to drop a prompt that you can put here so that ChatGPT will not always give you a yes answer, or I will drop in the comment section where you can just copy and paste in your ChatGPT to always get yes and no answer anytime you use ChatGPT. So I believe this will help everyone that will watch this video. So before then, if this is a new chat, you can create an image here. You can also use the template they have provided for you, as easy as that. You can also add your photos, your files, your camera. Here is for your library, what you have already done before. You can also create projects. You can also create projects so that you can just, maybe you want to create project on CV, you just type create project. So when you want to go back, you can go back to that particular project you created on ChatGPT. You can add sources here too. There is a lot to explore. There is more here. There's also, if you are using the pro version too, there are lots you can achieve with ChatGPT. So when you start using ChatGPT, every day you get to learn new things. That is how it works. You can even set ChatGPT in a way that you can even get notification every day from your email. That's in the settings, if you set it up. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on your notifications so that when I post more engaging content, you will not miss out. I believe this will help you in your AI content creation journey. See you in my next video. Bye.